Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm doing a art journal page with some dried rose petals. I have some torn up book pages, some glitter glue, and I have molding paste that I'm going to be using to get the dried rose petals onto the art journal page. Originally, I had tried to use gesso onto my art journal page to stick the book pages on because I ran out of glue, and I quickly realized that didn't work and got to the molding paste, which I felt worked much better. I had a little bit of pink paint already into the molding paint, I guess from a painting I had done before. It was just a little surprise. I felt that it added a little something to the overall art journal page when I was sticking these pieces of book pages onto the art journal page with the molding paste and that little bit of paint that was in the molding paste. So I just keep going here, adding the molding paste and the pieces of paper onto the art journal page, covering it fully because I know that I'm going to be putting some rose petals on there next. So now I'm going to grab some rose petals off the rose. They are dried out. There's a lot of texture obviously in these rose petals. So at first I'm sticking the molding paste onto the art journal page and then placing the rose petals there and just sort of deciding where I want them to go. Now that I've added a few rose petals on there, I'm going to start drawing a figure. I want to create sort of a fashion figure and have the rose petals become a dress. The next step is to outline the figure. I'm using an oil pastel, but you can use a pencil, a crayon, whatever it is that you want to use to create an outline for your figure. Once I complete that, I'm going to add a few more rose petals to the top and create some kind of dress for this figure. Now that I've got all the petals on, I'm gonna play around with the rest of the figure and add some hair, a little bit of an outline, get some facial features on there. I don't think I'm gonna do her eyes. I think I'm just gonna do the cheeks and the lips and add some sparkle glue. This was so much fun to do. I'm definitely going to be doing more artwork with dried rose petals and dried flowers. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you give it a try. Have a great day.